Hello viewers, my name is Portia Asari and thank you once again for tuning in at ACN African Christian Network. It's an evening with Dr. Bawumia, an aspiring Vice President of Ghana, and tonight is an encounter with him, a fundraising dinner, and to bring the African diaspora together. I got a chance to talk to him and to see his vision for the next upcoming election 2016. Stay tuned. Doctor, you spoke a lot today, gave us an enlightenment more on the Ghana government as of right now, and you being an aspiring vice president. I just took a look at your book. I just got a copy of it and took a glance at it, and I realized that you gave a speech last year, March on 2014, an lecture on restoring the value of the city, and you did predict that Ghana would actually would request the IMF bailout. What can you say about that right now?
Well, we did predict that, and I think I'm not the only one who predicted it. I probably made it more publicly. And it was really a warning at that time that things needed to be done differently. Otherwise, we would get into a situation that it was totally avoidable. But as it is, we have gotten into the IMF program. It was approved yesterday, and we just hope that what needs to be done to get us out of it is actually done, and done with the commitment that will actually get us out of it. So this is what we have. These are the cards that we've been dealt, so we have to play them.
Cool. Thank you so much. Another question in regards to that. I believe that I read an article in the news stating that, well, according to the recent figures that you gave in regards to the IMF bailout, it was misleading. How can you clarify that? How can you know?
Well, it's people just when they don't have anything to say, they make such blanket statements as misleading. I gave a talk, 70-page paper, and quite well researched and well documented. So I'm quite comfortable. And in fact, you know, I don't even understand what can be misleading. The question was, will the IMF anchor hold? I said, this is why we got into the IMF. You were spending too much relative to revenues, which is true. You were borrowing too much, which is true. Your external payments position has deteriorated, which is true. And so you ended up, your growth is reducing, which is true. So you ended up at the IMF. And the IMF would impose certain conditions, which is true. And if you don't do certain things right, the anchor will not hold, which is true. So I'm not quite sure what it is that is not true that I said. But I think, unfortunately, the supporters of this government and this government itself are very reluctant to admit the truth, even when it hits them in the face. Yeah.
True. Thank you about that. So my very last question for you is, I know you spoke about this, but there's been a persistent power shortage in Ghana right now. As we know, Dumso has been adopted into the world's largest online encyclopedia, I found out. And as an aspiring candidate, can you promise that this will be one of your priorities?
Oh, of course. I mean, Dumso, as I said, it's been a 3-year problem for the country. 3 years, and we are only now beginning to take emergency measures after 3 years. I think it's definitely a priority because you cannot grow as an economy without energy. Energy is the key to industrialization. So many small businesses are hurting, households are hurting, hospitals are hurting. So it is definitely going to be a priority. Thank you.
Dr. Bawumia, thank you so much. It's an honor to speak to you from African Christian Network. Thank you.